Okay, so css.lint.zeroUnits. And what this means is that when you have a zero, it doesn't really matter if it's 0% or 0 pixels or 0 EMs or 0 points. 0 is 0, which means that the unit is useless when you have a 0 there in CSS. So let me just give you an example. If we have width 0, it's the same thing having 0 pixels or 0% or 0 EMs or whatever. 0 is 0, right? So the question is, should you just ignore this, give it a warning, or give it an error? Well, it shouldn't be an error because it is perfectly valid CSS to have 0 pixels. But these two characters, or how many characters, however many characters your unit has, they are useless, right? And you're just making your client download 2 extra bytes that are really unnecessary. And this multiplies for however many zeros you have with units on your CSS. Now, for this reason, I wouldn't ignore it either. I would just set it to warning, because generally it's bad form. You can just save a few bytes without if you don't insert the units. But there are some cases where it's useful to have the units there, because you will have some kind of JavaScript manipulation and you want to just extract the units from the CSS itself. So I would set this one as a warning.